Welcome to the demonstration of Namma Apartments ERP. In this video, I will walk you through the different features of Namma Apartment ERP application. The ERP application will be accessible only to the admin of the society. We start with logging into the ERP by providing admin's mobile number. A 6-digit OTP will be sent to the mobile number for verification. Once the OTP is validated, the admin gets access to the ERP application. We have ensured that the application is quite user-friendly for easier access to the admin. We have also made use of tables, 3D charts and graphs to give a good looking UI since the admin will be using this ERP on a daily basis. We have added all the necessary features for helping the admin efficiently manage the society. Let's start with the dashboard view. This view gives an overall picture of how much society is earning and spending over a period of time. This expense pie chart gives a clear idea to the admin of how much percentage of money was spent on each of the expense categories in the current month. The income bar chart helps admin understand of how much money was collected by the residents under maintenance and others categories. The admin can also view the past 10 transactions which were done either by the admin or also by the staffs. On a side note, we show the calendar and next 5 days temperature in the city. Alright, so let's move on to the first module of the ERP, which is manage users. This module allows the admin to keep track of all the society residents staying in the society. We show them their name, their flat number, block number along with their mobile number. The admin can make hassle-free changes in case the residents move in or move out of the society. The admin can also approve the pending users who have moved in into the society. This module gives admin a real-time update on all the residents' data. So let's move on to the next module of our ERP application, which is General Ledger. General Ledger module gives admin a summary of all the transactions done under both income and expense categories. The admin can select a category from the categories drop-down list and analyze the transactions done in the past. If the admin is interested to see all the transactions done from petty cash, then he can filter them by selecting petty cash category from the holdings drop-down list. Admin can also filter the data based on the dates by selecting the from date and the to dates. To give admin an engaging view of the General Ledgers module, we have added attractive bar charts and pie charts. Let's move on to our next interesting module, which is the Bank and Cash. The Bank and Cash module gives the admin a real-time feed on how much amount is available in the society's bank account as well as in petty cash account. We have added stunning graphics and charts to help admin understand their transactions on both petty cash and bank accounts. If the admin is more interested on the credit part, he can filter out by selecting the credit legend in the 2D charts. Admin can also compare the credit and debit transactions per month on either bank or petty cash. Any transaction which is done by the user through Namma Apartment app will automatically get reflected in this module. Now let's move on to the next important module of the ERP, which is expenses. The expenses module allows the admin to see a new perspective of analyzing the expenses incurred in the society. Admin can keep track of all the expenses under each category and holdings. Admin can also add, edit and delete an expense transaction to keep the transactions up to date and maintain them appropriately. The 3D expense pie chart gives an overall summary on how much percentage of expenses were done on each of these categories. The data is also represented in bar charts to give admin more clarity on the expenditures. Alright, so let's move on to the next module of ERP, which is income. The income module helps the admin to keep track of all the society residents' maintenance amount collected. The income module holding can be categorized into bank and petty cash. Since the society residents can pay the maintenance either to society bank account or to the petty account. The admin can see the visual representation of all the data through the line chart. If admin is interested to see the income transactions for a particular month, they can do it by adding the filter to the data. They can even specify the from date and to date. So let's move on to the next important module, which is quite beneficial for the admin to see the defaulters list. This module is the pending dues module. Alright, so let's discuss about the payments and pending dues module. This module gives a list of all the residents in the society who have paid maintenance and a list of all the residents who have not paid the maintenance for any month. Admin can also send them a mail notification to ensure that the maintenance amount is being received on a proper time and also help them to manage the society better. Even this module gives admin a perspective of charts and graphs where they can check into the values. So this was a quick introduction or an overview about the Namma Apartment ERP application. In case you have any doubts or queries regarding using the application, please drop us a note on support@nammaapartments.com. Our team will reach out to you within 24 to 48 hours and resolve the query.